Hi, my name is Rahul. I'm from Mysore. I graduated from Vidyataka College of Engineering in Electronics and Communication. I recently got placed in American Megatrends. I underwent advanced embedded course. The course is completely divided into different modules. The first module will be Linux, then C++. Then at the last module will be MC. After all the modules, you'll be getting a placement eligibility test. After you clear the test, you'll be able to attend the interviews. But what helped me clear the interview was during each modules there'll be assignments and mainly projects. All the projects they'll give you hands-on experience like how to implement whatever you do it in practically. And all the class mentors and the lab mentors, they helped me with all the doubts. Whenever I had a doubt, I could ask them for clarification. If you want to go get into a core company and you're looking for a course to join, I would suggest go under Emertxe.